Okay, so we are live. Let me share my screen. Okay, guys, so but today's GFG POTD is we need to find whether a number is a Smith number or not. So, what is Smith number? Smith number, it is a composite number which has its sum of digits equal to the sum of digits of its prime factors. And what's a composite number? It's a number which has more than two factors. So, for example, in example n equal to 4, our sum of digits is equal to 4 and sum of its factor is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. And as you can see, sum of digits is equal to sum of factors, so it is a Smith number. And if we see another example, 378, where its sum of digits is 18 and its sum of factors is also 18. So how we got 18 is, first of all, just we know as base is a basic thing that we have done in our schooling of calculating LCM. So by this we calculate the prime factors, and there's one catch here that we need to check if the factor is prime, then only we can add it to our sum. Otherwise we won't add it. And as we see another example in 985, where the sum of digits is equal to 22 and sum of its factor is equal to, like, there are only two factors of 995, that is 5 and 197. And 197 is a basically a prime number, and it's of 3 digits, so we calculate sum of its digits, which is 1. It's 1 plus 9 plus 7, and overall it's equal to 24. And sum of digits is equal to sum of factors. As they both are equal, the number is a Smith number, so we can return true. So let's go. First of all, we write some helper functions. First of all, we're writing a is prime function, which will tell that whether our number is prime or not. And we will write another function, sum of its digits. And we can first of all store the sum of digits in a variable. And if our number is a prime number, then we can simply return false, because here in the question it's a given that we need to check that it should be a composite number, and composite number is a number which has more than one factor. So as a prime number is only having one factor, which is a number itself, so we can return false in that case. And after that we can and from here we're calculating the sum of its factors. And if that factor is only prime, then only while calculating its sum we are just dividing a number by its factor. So let's try submitting it. Okay. Oh yeah, so we got an edge case where our in 985, as we can see in an example, that we need to calculate sum of the digits of the factor. We can simply pass I into our function. So yeah, it got submitted. Okay, so now to use